Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to ask and answer questions about distance and travel time using how far and how long.
What does how far mean? We use how far to ask about the distance between two places, measured in meters or kilometers. Use how far when you want to know the number of meters or kilometers between 2 points. For example, you can ask, how far is it from the school to the park? And answer, it is about 500 meters. Here is example 1. We are looking at the distance from the pizza restaurant to the supermarket. The question is, how far is it from the pizza restaurant to the supermarket? The answer is, it is about 500 meters. Let's look at example 2. Here we are measuring the distance from the mountain to the lake. The question is, how far is it from the mountain to the lake? The answer is, it is 80 kilometers. You can also describe distance using special phrases. You can say near or close for a short distance, not very far for a medium distance, or a long way for a large distance.
Here is example 3. We are looking at the distance from the computer room to the classroom. The question is, how far is it from the computer room to the classroom? The answer is, it is 10 meters. Now, what does how long mean? We use how long to ask about the time it takes to travel between two places, measured in minutes or hours. Use how long when you want to know how many minutes or hours a journey takes. For example, you can ask, how long does it take to go from home to school? And answer, it takes about 10 minutes.
Here is example 4. We are asking about the travel time from the playground to the shopping mall. The question is, how long does it take to go from the playground to the shopping mall? The answer is, it takes about 20 minutes. Let's look at example 5. We are asking about the travel time from the school to the sweet shop. The question is, how long does it take to go from the school to the sweet shop? The answer is, it takes about half an hour. Now it's your turn, children. Read each slide carefully. Choose whether to use how far or how long, and then complete the answer.
Question 1. We want to ask about the travel time from the beach to the hotel, which is 20 minutes. Since we are asking about travel time, we choose how long. The question is, how long does it take to go from the beach to the hotel? The complete answer is, it takes about 20 minutes.
Question 2. Here, we want to ask about the distance from the airport to the Big Buddha, which is 30 kilometers. Since we are asking about distance, we choose how far. The question is, how far is it from the airport to the Big Buddha? The complete answer is, it is about 30 kilometers. Question 3. The travel time from the city center to the mountain peak is 45 minutes. The question is, how long does it take to go from the city center to the mountain peak? The complete answer is, it takes about 45 minutes. Question 4. The distance from the Space Museum to the Science Museum is 2 kilometers. The question is, how far is it from the Space Museum to the Science Museum? The complete answer is, it is about 2 kilometers. Question 5. The distance from the city park to the outdoor market is 14 kilometers. The question is, how far is it from the city park to the outdoor market? The complete answer is, it is about 14 kilometers.
Question 6. The travel time from Green Valley to the city market is 25 minutes. The question is, how long does it take to go from Green Valley to the city market? The complete answer is, it takes about 25 minutes. The end. Great work today. You have learned how to use how far for distance and how long for travel time. Remember, use how far to ask about distance and answer in meters or kilometers or with phrases like a long way. Use how long to ask about travel time and answer in minutes or hours, using phrases like, it takes about 20 minutes. Well done, everyone.